Hey guys, it's me, Anthony. So today I shall be talking about the one thing that everybody cares about, planets. Specifically, 6 planets. I will also be telling you if you should visit them or not visit them, and some other maybe important details about them that you might need. Anyways, let's get on with the first space object, the sun. You might want to go to the sun because the sun is a perfect sphere. Or you might want to go there because it's important. In fact, the sun makes up 99% of the solar mass in our solar system. And the sun also does give Earth life, so you might want to go there. Also, did you know that our sun isn't actually a sun, it's a star? Oh hey, do you want to know a cool fact? The sun is going to eat the Earth in a very long time. Whoa. Personally, I wouldn't go to the sun. There's not really that many things to do there, and it's really boring. But I mean, you can go there if you want. You can go there. Next up, we're covering a place not many people usually think of when they think of space vacation. The asteroid belt. The asteroid belt is so cool. It's just like a bunch of tiny little planets. In fact, some of the asteroids might be too small. You see, some of the asteroids are the size of a pebble. But I mean, there are still some asteroids that are big in there. Also, the asteroids mostly contain copper and rock, so, they're not really that strong. Also, you may find the asteroids located between the inner and the outer planets. Also, most of the asteroids don't really have a gravitational pull towards them, so, maybe not the best place to stay. Okay, so next up on the list is Neptune. Neptune. Neptune is currently one of the coldest planets in our solar system. Isn't that a nice little nifty fact? Isn't that just really cool? Neptune is also the farthest away from the sun. That's why it's cold, because the sun it produces heat. But yeah, it's also the 8th planet from the sun. The 8th, specifically the 8th. That's one fact. That's one fact. Neptune was also named after the Roman god of the sea because it's blue. It's blue. Also, Neptune was one of Galileo's first planetary discoveries. Isn't that cool? Galileo is really cool. He's a good dude. Also, another cool special Neptune fact is that my favorite planet is Neptune. Okay, next up on the list is Mars. So the first Mars fact is that a long time ago in a galaxy far away, people thought that the lines on Mars were actually signs of canals, which made them think that there was intelligent life on Mars, even though there's not. Also, Mars has 2 ice caps, one on the top and one on the bottom. This is why scientists think it might be a good planet to colonize, because ice caps means water. Mars was named after the Roman god of war. Mars, if you're on Mars, you actually can't see the sun because of all of the dust that's on Mars. So, it might not be the best place to visit because, you can't see the several space companies are looking to colonize Mars in the coming years. So you better look out for that. That's a fact right there. That's a fact. That's a fact. Hey, you see this? That's Jupiter. Jupiter orbits the sun every 11 years. Kinda like this. The ancient Babylonians were the first to record sightings of Jupiter. Also, one reason you might not want to go to Jupiter is, did you see this red spot here? That's actually a big, gigantic swarm. Dun, dun, dun. Jupiter also has the largest planetary atmosphere in the entire solar system. Isn't that? That's a cool fact. The last Jupiter fact is that Jupiter has a moon, and that moon is the largest moon in the entire solar system. It's the moon! So, the moon's diameter is over 2,000 miles long. The moon is 4.5 billion years old. That means that it's a boomer. The density of the moon is 3 grams per centimeter. Whoa! Also, here's another moon fact. The moon actually doesn't have like an official time zone, so, you know, you might not know the time when you're on the moon. Also, here's a really scary moon fact. The moon is going away from the Earth at a rate of 3.8 centimeters per year. This is the moon. It's about 250,000 miles away from the Earth, and it would take about 6 months to get there by car. This is the sun. It's about 91 million miles away from the Earth. This is Mars. It's the 4th planet in our solar system, and it's 189 million miles away from the Earth. This is Jupiter. Jupiter is 571 million miles away from the Earth. This is the asteroid belt. As you can see, it's located between Mars and Jupiter, aka the 4th and 5th planets of our solar system. As you can see, the asteroid belt is 390 million miles away from the Earth. This right here is Neptune. Neptune is a astounding 2.8 billion miles away from the Earth. 2.8 billion, not million. It's the 8th planet in our solar system, and also it just happens to be my favorite.